Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System Update. Then let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Upgrade Settings. And basically all you have to do is to make sure that this option here, so Smart Upgrade, is turned on. So if you've got it turned off, if it looks like it, just tap on the switcher here. Thanks to it, your device will not only automatically check for the updates, it will also automatically download them, but also it will install them between 1 and 5 at night when your device is idle, basically when you're not using your device and when you're sleeping, which is great because you do not need to, stop using your device because it will update overnight. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.